Nick Reiner in court right now, but not for the trial for the murder of his famous parents. His appearance today is part of an effort to get more than $500,000 from a family trust. But the trust managers say they cannot release those funds, in part because he is set to be on trial for the murder of his parents who set up that trust fund. NewsNation's Courtney Friel is live in Los Angeles with what we are learning from inside of that courtroom. Courtney.
Hi, Nicole. Unfortunately, no decision was made this morning, and the judge just pushed things down the road and scheduled another hearing for October 23rd. He said he wants more time to review the objections that came in only last week from the former and current trustee. Nick Reiner's attorney strongly pressed the court to move faster, arguing how this trust dispute has dragged on since early this year and that the delays are hurting his client. Both sides are arguing over more than $1.5 million currently held in a trust for Reiner, created by his parents, Rob and Michele. But still at issue is California's Slayer statute, and if that will come into play, which prevents someone from financially benefiting from a person they intentionally killed. But Reiner's attorneys have argued that he has only been accused and not convicted, and that no court has determined he killed his parents. This morning, the judge also indicated he would be open to settling this, and that both sides said they would be willing to mediate, but they have to check with Nick's two siblings, Jake and Romy Reiner. Nick's attorney wants his siblings brought into settlement talks because they may have a future claim to the trust, and if everyone with a potential claim agrees to a deal and releases those claims, it could clear the way for a global settlement instead of years of litigation. Alan Jackson, Nick's former defense attorney, was also here. He spoke with the media after, saying how the main takeaway from today's hearing and moving forward is that Nick Reiner is very much entitled to his own money, his own funds, and that he wants to use them for his criminal counsel. So once again, the bottom line today, Nick is not getting any of his trust money today, and we will know more on October 23rd if he eventually gets some or all of it. Back to you, Nicole.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.